हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एस्टोर एकेडमी। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। टुडे वी विल स्टडी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स। नंबर 1, वेयर इज द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स अप्लाइड? आंसर, इन अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। ऑन व्हाट अ मैग्नेटिक फोर्स इज अप्लाइड? हु एक्सपीरियंस द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स? आंसर, अ मूविंग चार्ज। So here is a certain magnetic field, and magnetic field we will show in a particular direction, say going inside, that is in z axis, and we will show it this way. Here we place a conductor in which charge is moving. Say this is the conductor. In this current I is flowing in it, so the charges are moving. If the charges are moving in this direction, then it will experience a force. And what will be the direction of that force? Answer, direction of that force will be given by the Ampere's left hand rule. That magnetic field inside this is the direction of current, so this is the force. The force here will act in a direction perpendicular current. So if when charge is here, the force is acting in this direction. This is force F acting perpendicular to it. Now what happened because of this force? We know that a force can do the three things: increasing the velocity, decreasing the velocity, or can change the direction for increasing or decreasing the velocity. It should be acting in the direction of velocity, or its component should be acting in a direction of velocity. Here this is the force, and what is the component of this force in this direction? Answer is F cos 90, and F cos 90 is 0. So no force is acting in this direction. If no force is acting in this direction of velocity, then this force cannot change the magnitude of velocity. It cannot increase, it cannot decrease the velocity. So I will write the same thing, magnetic force. So first, cannot change the magnitude of velocity. That means speed, it cannot change the speed. And you know the because its component along V is 0. Okay, then what is the effect of this force? Effectiveness force, the direction will change here. Here is a particle moving like this, and we apply a force this way. It will move like this. If we apply a force this way, it will move like this. What is happening? The direction keeps on changing. So here what will happen? It can change the direction. So these are the two things a magnetic force is doing. No change in magnitude of speed, and it can change direction. If this direction is changing, and if this becomes like this, then the force is always at right angle to velocity. And in this case, the force will automatically see, if this was velocity, this was force. If velocity has become like this, the force will also become like this. If velocity has become like this, the force will become in this direction. So the force is always at a right angle to the velocity here. Now if the velocity has, because the charge is going here and there is a force here, it will turn and become like this. Then force will be at right angle to this. If it turns like this, because of this force, it will bend like this, turn like this, and then velocity of the force is always be at right angle. In this way we find the velocity will turn will turn, and again will turn, and force is always at right angle to velocity. So the force is also changing its direction here. The force is here, the force is here and here, and so this is magnetic force. The direction of is the direction of magnetic field is constant, that is there. Now what happen in electric field? This what we have seen was the magnetic field. Now the electric field is there. If there is an electric field in this particular direction, electric field, and there is a charge in it, discharge experience the force, and direction of that force is always the direction of electric field. So now if a particle is here, it experiences a force in the direction of electric field, and that force gives its acceleration, and because of the acceleration, velocity increase. Velocity increase. Velocity increase, that is magnitude of velocity, that is speed increase. What happened to its direction? The answer is direction do not change, it keeps on moving in the direction of electric field. If you say the charge was going in this direction, and if the charge is moving in this direction, and there is electric field in this direction, then what will happen? The answer is because of this force, which force QE, it will bend like this and this. So after that it will keep moving in this direction, and you will find here the direction do not change, it's turning. Is it turning? Answer no, it is going in the direction of electric field. So the electric field failed to change the direction. It always carries electric field in the direction of electric field. It does not change the direction here because this direction was not in the field. It has changed the direction to the electric field, but it will not change the direction from here, so it cannot change direction. So it cannot change direction. It carries in one direction only. It carries in one direction only. No change in direction. So these are two contradictory things, and you must remember this. It cannot change velocity. Velocity cannot change. Velocity increase or decrease. Velocity cannot change, increase or decrease. Then it can change direction. It can write it. It does change. It keeps on changing the direction. It makes the direction constant. This is the difference between the two, and you must remember these two differences. One, speed can be increased only by electric field. Magnetic field cannot increase the speed, cannot decrease the speed. Okay, it one thumb rule. Second thumb rule, magnetic field, what it can do, it can always change the direction of the motion. It tries to make it circular motion always, while the electric field always tries to make it unidirectional. The charge will move on the moving the direction of electric field. This is the difference of the electric field and magnetic field application. So this is magnetic field application on charge. Both will be acting on the charge. This is electric field application on charge. And one thing, very important thing, that was initial. This will act only and only if, yes, if this is there, what is this V here? This will act. It does not need any velocity. So that is our rule number. Actually, that should be rule number 1. What that needs charge to move. Okay. And here act on stationary as well as moving charge. So this will act on both stationary charge and moving charge. This will act only on the moving charge. This is again a difference. So these are the three differences. You will remember: force due to magnetic field and force due to electric field. Both are forces on the charge. This is force on stationary moving both. This is force only on these moving charges. Okay. Now I will stop here. Thank you.